English to finish. I will go equals.
menen,
Future with.
mennä.
Closing parenthesis. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we'll make Finnish future meaning super simple and a little funny, because if you smile,
Se onnistuu.
it will work. Your learning goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll say every person of to go like a pro. You will master.
Menen, sinä menet, hän menee, me menemme, te menette, he menevät.
You'll also learn the magic reassurance.
Se onnistuu.
Equals it will work. Quick forms with.
Mennä.
Repeat after me, short, confident, and ready to move. I will go.
Menen.
Example. Tomorrow, I will go to the market. Huomenna.
Menen.
Toril. You will go, singular.
Sinä menet.
Example. After this meeting, you will go home. Tämän kokouksen jälkeen.
Sinä menet.
Kotiin. She will go.
Hän menee.
Example. She will go early. Huomenna.
Hän menee.
Aikaisen. We will go.
Me menemme.
Example. After lunch, we will go together. Launan jälkeen.
Me menemme.
Yhdessä. You will go, plural.
Te menette.
Example. At 6, you will go onto the field. Kello kuudelta.
Te menette.
Kentae. They will go.
He menevät.
Example. They will go by bus. Quote.
He menevät.
Basila. Note. Finnish often uses the present to talk about the future. The base verb is
Mennä.
mini dialogue, the great go or no go. Listen in and repeat the punchlines. A. Is the plan solid? B. Relax.
Se onnistuu.
A. Okay, at 9.
Me menemme.
To the station. B. And at 10.
Te menette.
To the museum. I'll snack. A. If it rains? B. Then she's brave.
Hän menee.
Anyway, I bring umbrellas. A. And the team? B. No doubt.
He menevät.
Straight to victory. Culture tip. Future without future. Here's a secret that makes Finnish feel easy. Finnish usually has no separate future tense. Context and time words do the job. So, tomorrow, he will go, is simply, huomenna.
Hän menee.
And to reassure someone, say.
Se onnistuu.
Calm, confident, very Finnish. Call and response drill. Say it out loud, your couch can judge later. I will go.
Menen.
You will go, singular.
Sinä menet.
She will go.
Hän menee.
We will go.
Me menemme.
You will go, plural.
Te menette.
They will go.
He menevät.
It will work.
Se onnistuu.
Lightning quiz. Quick fire, trust your first instinct. Q. Base verb for, to go. A.
Mennä.
Q. You will go, singular. A.
Sinä menet.
Q. He will go. A.
Hän menee.
Q. We will go. A.
Me menemme.
Q. You will go, plural. A.
Te menette.
Q. They will go. A.
He menevät.
Q. Reassure a friend, it will work. A.
Se onnistuu.
Fun challenge. You've got this, make it personal. Say 3 true sentences about your next 24 hours using
menen, hän menee,
and.
se onnistuu.
Example. Tomorrow.
Menen,
To the gym. At noon.
hän menee,
To lunch. Don't worry about the project.
se onnistuu.
Quote. Goodbye and keep going. High five, language hero. Thanks for listening. Practice these lines today.
Menen, sinä menet, hän menee, me menemme, te menette, he menevät,
And your superpower phrase.
se onnistuu.
Keep learning with Synapse Lingo and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more fun lessons.